Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Pulse, where transport tech meets heavy-duty innovation from hydraulic trailers and smart safety systems to rugged rebuildable tracks and advanced load-securing solutions. These machines are redefining logistics, efficiency, and control. Get ready to explore the toughest and smartest gear on the road today. Right Track Systems. Right Track Systems delivers innovative, rebuildable rubber track solutions for a wide range of equipment, including skid steers, trucks, and agricultural machinery, designed to perform in the harshest terrains, mud, sand, and snow. These tracks are praised for their rugged durability and consistent performance. Many users report over 6 years of reliable use, thanks to the modular design that allows for easy maintenance and customization. Individual components like ice cleats or rubber pads can be replaced as needed, reducing downtime and saving costs over time. Customer service is another strong point, with representatives offering personalized assistance to ensure proper fitment, compatibility, and user satisfaction, with a focus on longevity, flexibility, and support. Right Track Systems stands out as a dependable solution for professionals who demand more from their equipment. Man Front Detection. The Man Front Detection System is an advanced safety feature designed to protect pedestrians and cyclists in dense urban environments, especially during low-speed maneuvers. Operating at speeds up to 10 km per hour, it monitors the critical area directly in front of the vehicle, spanning 0.8 to 3.7 meters, with high accuracy. Equipped with 2 radar sensors on the front bumper and a high-mount TED windshield camera, the system offers constant surveillance during vehicle startup and stop-and-go traffic. When a person or object enters the monitored zone, the driver is alerted with visual dashboard signals and loud acoustic warnings to ensure a quick reaction. Specifically developed for trucks and buses, this technology enhances situational awareness in crowded streets and tight spaces, helping prevent collisions, property damage, and injuries. The Man Front Detection System underscores MAN's commitment to intelligent safety innovations that protect vulnerable road users and support drivers in real-world traffic situations. Fliegl SZS 300BL Ultra. The Fliegl SZS 300BL Ultra is a high-performance semi-trailer designed specifically for transporting round and square bales. With a total weight capacity of 29,000 kilograms and a kingpin load of 11,000 kilograms, it's built to handle demanding agricultural logistics. Its spacious platform, 13,000 millimeters long and 2,480 millimeters wide, offers plenty of room for large bale loads. Fitted with 385 by 65R 22.5 tires, it delivers smooth handling and improved fuel efficiency on the road. A standout feature is its user-friendly load-securing system, which includes durable tarpaulins and integrated tension belts on both sides. This design minimizes material loss during transit, enhancing both safety and efficiency. The S300BL Ultra reflects Fligl's commitment to quality and innovation, making it a trusted solution for modern farming transport needs. Libner OPEN BOX C+. The Libner OPEN BOX C+ is a highly adaptable, multifunctional vehicle body designed to handle a wide range of transportation tasks with ease. Its fully retractable sliding curtain system enables quick loading and unloading, making it ideal for both standard cargo and oversized goods needing weather protection. As the first retractable curtain body in Europe to pass the N112642 Code XL test, it meets strict load safety standards. It's also certified for beverage transport, further proving its versatility in various logistics sectors. The front section can fold to accommodate containers or tall loads, while the closed setup protects goods from environmental exposure. Combining safety, convenience, and adaptability, the Libner OPEN BOX C Plus is a smart, forward-thinking solution for today's evolving transport demands. XTC90. The XTC90 is a cutting-edge load-securing system built to improve both safety and efficiency in timber transportation. Using remote-controlled hydraulics, it allows drivers to secure loads quickly with minimal physical effort. Its automatic post-tensioning maintains consistent pressure throughout transit, while continuous monitoring alerts drivers to any issues, reducing the risk of accidents. The height-adjustable stakes can be lowered when driving empty, cutting aerodynamic drag and saving fuel. By minimizing manual labor and reducing strain-related injuries, the XTC90 enhances the driver's work environment while setting a new standard for secure, smart timber hauling. Globe 55-ton hydraulic flip axle. The Globe 55-ton hydraulic flip axle lowboy trailer is built for heavy-duty transport with unmatched strength and flexibility. With a 55-ton capacity focused over 12 feet, it features a 26-foot deck and a low 18-inch loaded deck height. Ideal for hauling large, heavy equipment. The hydraulic flip axle allows operators to add or remove a fourth axle as needed, making it easy to meet road regulations and balance loads efficiently. Key features include a 13-horsepower Honda Pony motor, durable aluminum rims, and tough Apatong decking for long-lasting performance. Backed by a 10-year structural warranty, the Globe 55-ton trailer delivers reliability, versatility, and confidence for serious haulers. Pavelli Strong. The Pavelli Strong is a powerful semi-trailer built to handle the toughest transport jobs, ideal for moving road tractors, buses, vans, and trucks. Available in 2 or 3 axle configurations, it supports payloads of up to 24,500 kilograms, depending on the setup. Its extendable frame stretches up to 3 meters, while the hydraulic movable platform lifts up to 20 tons with ease. Rear hydraulic ramps with double extensions simplify loading, and the trailer's hot dip galvanized finish offers long-lasting protection against corrosion. Optional features like hydraulic steering on the second and third axles and an onboard weight monitoring computer add flexibility and control, making the Pavelli Strong a smart, efficient choice for heavy vehicle transport. Extra-large specialized trailers. XL Specialized Trailers is a top-tier manufacturer of heavy-haul and specialized trailers, trusted across industries like construction, agriculture, and wind energy. Known for their durability and strength, their lowboy trailers stand out. Designed to transport heavy equipment with ease and reliability, even in the toughest conditions. Customers consistently praise the versatility and build quality of XL's products. Employee feedback also reflects a strong workplace culture focused on teamwork, innovation, and open communication, contributing to the brand's long-standing reputation. However, some customers have noted delays in customer service response, suggesting that improved support and communication could further enhance the ownership experience. Despite this, XL Specialized Trailers remains a reliable choice for those needing robust, high-performance trailers backed by industry expertise and engineering excellence. DAF Rock-Free Function. The DAF Rock-Free function is an innovative solution designed to help drivers free their vehicles when stuck in tough terrain. By gently pressing the accelerator, it enables a controlled rocking motion that restores traction without putting extra stress on the driveline. Integrated into DAF's new generation trucks with the Traxon automated transmission, this feature improves off-road maneuverability and enhances driver control in challenging conditions. It's a smart addition that reflects DAF's focus on comfort, performance, and operational confidence, making tough situations easier to handle, no matter the road ahead. The Harsh HH6 hook loader is a tough, efficient solution for 7.5-ton GVW trucks, ideal for industries like waste management, recycling, and site clearance. With a 6-ton lift capacity from a single powerful cylinder, it easily handles containers from 3.8 to 4.3 meters in length and reaches a maximum tip angle of 52 degrees, ensuring fast and safe unloading. Its low-profile Z-frame enhances lifting stability and efficiency, while the modular design ensures simple installation and low maintenance needs. Powered by a conventional PTO pump system, it also offers an optional handheld remote control for improved operator safety and visibility during loading and unloading. For added functionality, the HH6 can be paired with Harsh's own sheeting systems to keep loads secure in all weather. Backed by a 2-year structural and 1-year parts and labor warranty, the Harsh HH6 stands out as a reliable, high-performance hook loader for demanding and diverse heavy-duty tasks. HOLMES DTU. The HOLMES DTU is a versatile heavy-duty towing system designed to convert a standard tractor into a fully functional wrecker. Engineered with minimal rear overhang and optimal front axle weight distribution, it improves stability, towability, and overall handling. Its advanced lift cylinder placement enhances underlift height and maintains a balanced center of gravity for efficient weight transfer during towing. Key features include a 20,000-pound planetary winch with 175 feet of 9/16-inch wire rope, front stands for easy detachment, and full compatibility with standard fifth wheel plates and lockdown brackets. This modular design allows quick removal, enabling seamless switching between wrecker and trailer hauling roles. Optional upgrades like a 25,000-pound winch, toolboxes, and remote operation enhance functionality. With a lifting capacity of 35,000 pounds retracted and 16,000 extended, the HOLMES DTU delivers flexible, efficient, and cost-effective performance for towing professionals and fleet operators alike.